In the realm of power tools, few comparisons spark as much discussion as the jigsaw versus the circular saw debate. These two stalwarts of woodworking and construction represent different approaches to cutting, each with its own unique strengths and specialized applications. While they might appear to serve similar purposes at first glance, their distinct characteristics make them more like complementary tools rather than competitors. Understanding the nuances between these two power tools not only helps in making informed purchasing decisions, but also ensures optimal results in various cutting applications. From the precision of intricate curves to the raw power of long, straight cuts, these tools have revolutionized both professional construction and DIY projects. Design and operation. A jigsaw is a lightweight, handheld power tool featuring a narrow blade that moves up and down in a reciprocating motion. Its compact design allows for one-handed operation with either a D-handle or barrel grip configuration. The D-handle design offers better balance and maneuverability, while the barrel grip provides more control for precise cuts. In contrast, a circular saw employs a rotating disc-shaped blade that spins rapidly around a fixed center. It comes in two main designs, Sidewinder inline and worm drive. Sidewinder saws are more compact and lightweight, with the motor positioned along the same axis as the blade. Worm drive saws have their motors at a right angle to the blade, using gears to increase torque for heavy-duty applications. Blade characteristics. Jigsaw blades are narrow and available in various materials, including high-carbon steel, HCS, for softwood and plastics, high-speed steel, HSS, for hardwood and metals, bimetal for versatile applications, and tungsten carbide for extremely hard materials. The blade's teeth per inch, TPI, determines cut quality. Higher TPI produces smoother cuts but works slower, while lower TPI enables faster but rougher cuts. Circular saw blades are significantly larger, typically ranging from 5.5 to 7.25 inches in diameter. The blade size determines the maximum cutting depth, with 7.25 inches being the most common size. These blades are often carbide-tipped for longevity and can be specialized for different materials and cut types. The number of teeth varies based on the intended use. Fewer teeth for ripping, cutting with the grain, and more teeth for cross-cutting. Cutting capabilities. Jigsaws excel at making curved, intricate, and detailed cuts. Their narrow blade and vertical motion allow for complex shapes, making them ideal for DIY art projects, cabinetry work, and cutting holes for installations. The tool can also make plunge cuts by starting from within the material without requiring a pilot hole. Circular saws are designed for long, straight cuts and operate with greater speed and power. They're particularly effective for construction work, framing, and cutting large sheets of material. While they can make various straight cuts, including rip cuts, cross cuts, and bevel cuts, they cannot execute curved or intricate patterns. The tool's design focuses on power and efficiency rather than precision detailing. Applications and versatility. Jigsaws are incredibly versatile tools, suitable for both delicate and general cutting tasks. They can handle various materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and even ceramic when equipped with appropriate blades. Their ability to make both straight and curved cuts makes them valuable for detailed woodworking, craft projects, and renovation work requiring precise cuts. Circular saws are essential for construction and large-scale woodworking projects. They excel at breaking down sheet goods, cutting dimensional lumber, and making quick, clean, straight cuts. With the right blade, they can also cut through masonry, metal, and other materials. Their power and speed make them indispensable for framing, deck building, and other construction applications. Safety and user experience. Jigsaws are generally considered safer and more user-friendly, especially for beginners. Their slower cutting speed and lightweight design provide better control and reduce the risk of serious accidents. The blade's reciprocating motion and smaller size make them less intimidating for novice users. Circular saws require more skill and attention to safety due to their powerful motors and large spinning blades. Many models include safety features like electric brakes that quickly stop the blade and blade guards that automatically cover the blade when not in use. While they can be more dangerous, proper training and adherence to safety guidelines make them safe to operate. Power and performance. Jigsaws typically operate with motors ranging from 500 watts to 750 watts, providing sufficient power for most cutting tasks. Their reciprocating action means they cut more slowly, but with greater control. The blade's up and down motion can be adjusted through variable speed settings, allowing users to match the cutting speed to the material being cut. Circular saws pack considerably more power, with motors typically ranging from 1200 watts to 2000 watts. Their rotating blade design delivers faster, more aggressive cuts. Worm drive circular saws offer even more torque through their gear reduction system, though at slightly slower blade speeds. This additional power makes them particularly effective for heavy-duty cutting tasks and dense materials. Material compatibility. Both tools demonstrate impressive versatility across different materials. Jigsaws can handle wood, metal, plastic, laminate, and even ceramic tiles with specialized blades. Their ability to make plunge cuts makes them particularly useful for interior cutouts and electrical or plumbing installations. Circular saws primarily excel at cutting wood and wood-based materials, but can also tackle other materials with appropriate blades. They're especially effective with sheet goods like plywood and MDF, as well as dimensional lumber. When equipped with carbide-tipped blades, they can efficiently cut through high alloy materials and stainless steel while producing less heat and maintaining accuracy. Cost and maintenance. Jigsaw blades are relatively inexpensive and easy to replace, making them cost-effective for long-term use. However, these blades can wear quickly when cutting harder materials and may need frequent replacement depending on usage intensity. Circular saw blades, particularly high-quality carbide-tipped ones, represent a more significant investment but offer extended longevity. These blades can maintain their sharpness through thousands of cuts, reducing the frequency of replacements and ultimately improving productivity. While the initial cost may be higher, the longer service life and increased cutting efficiency often justify the investment for professional users. Precision and accuracy. Jigsaws require a steady hand and practice to achieve precise cuts. While they can make straight cuts, they lack built-in fences, which can lead to blade wandering. Using guides and straight edges can help improve accuracy, but achieving perfectly straight cuts remains challenging. Circular saws excel in precision straight cuts, especially when used with guides or fences. Their rigid blade design and powerful motors help maintain cutting accuracy, particularly in thicker materials. The wider kerf, cut width, of circular saw blades also helps reduce binding and ensures straighter cuts. Dust collection and workplace cleanliness. Jigsaws typically generate less dust due to their slower cutting action, but their dust collection systems can be less efficient. Many modern jigsaws feature built-in dust blowers that keep the cutting line visible, and some models offer dust extraction ports for connection to vacuum systems. However, the vertical cutting motion can scatter debris in multiple directions. Circular saws produce more substantial amounts of dust and debris due to their higher cutting speeds. Most modern models include dust ports and blade guards designed to direct sawdust away from the operator and toward a collection point. When connected to a proper dust extraction system, circular saws can maintain a cleaner work environment despite their higher dust production rate. Ergonomics and handling. Jigsaws are generally lighter and more maneuverable, weighing between 2 to 4 kilograms. Their compact design allows for comfortable operation in tight spaces and overhead work. Many models feature ergonomic grips with rubber overmolds to reduce vibration and improve comfort during extended use. The tool's balance point typically sits directly above the cutting area, providing natural control. Circular saws are heavier, usually weighing 4 to 5 kilograms or more, especially worm drive models. This additional weight can cause fatigue during prolonged use, but also helps maintain stability during cuts. Modern designs incorporate features like soft grip handles and optimized weight distribution to improve handling. Some models offer auxiliary handles for better control during demanding cuts. Specialized features. Modern jigsaws come equipped with various advanced features enhancing their functionality. These include orbital action settings that add a forward motion to the blade's up and down movement, improving cutting efficiency in wood. Toolless blade change systems, variable speed controls, and adjustable base plates for bevel cuts are common features that increase versatility. Circular saws feature their own set of specialized capabilities, including depth adjustment mechanisms, bevel capacity, typically up to 45 or 56 degrees, and electric brakes for quick blade stopping. Some models offer laser guides or LED lights to illuminate the cutting line, improving accuracy. Advanced models may include electronic speed control to maintain consistent cutting speed under load. Professional versus DIY usage. Jigsaws find extensive use in both professional and DIY settings. Their versatility and safety features make them ideal for hobbyists and occasional users. Professional craftsmen often employ them for detailed work, finished carpentry, and situations requiring precise curved cuts or internal cutouts. Circular saws are indispensable in professional construction and woodworking environments due to their speed and power. While they're also suitable for DIY use, they require more experience and safety awareness. Their efficiency in making long, straight cuts and ability to handle thick materials makes them essential for construction sites and large-scale projects. Storage and portability. Jigsaws are compact and easily stored in toolboxes or workshop cabinets. Their smaller size and lighter weight make them highly portable, ideal for mobile work or small workshop spaces. Blade storage is simple, with replacement blades taking minimal space. Circular saws require more storage space due to their larger size and blade diameter. While still portable, they're bulkier to transport and store. The larger blades need careful storage to prevent damage and maintain safety. Many professionals opt for dedicated cases or storage solutions to protect their circular saws and accessories. So, which one is better? The choice between a jigsaw and a circular saw ultimately depends on the specific requirements of your projects and working style. While the jigsaw excels in versatility and precision for detailed work, the circular saw stands out for its power and efficiency in straight cuts. Many woodworkers and contractors find that having both tools in their arsenal provides the most comprehensive cutting solution.